Ever wondered how creators make those perfect photo cutouts or stylish image shapes in Canva? It's all thanks to a simple but powerful tool, Canva Frames. And today, you'll learn exactly how to use them to make your designs stand out. Let's get right into it. First, open your Canva project. On the left-hand panel, click on Elements. In the search bar at the top, type Frames. You'll instantly see a variety of frame shapes: circles, letters, phones, laptops, even abstract designs. These frames act like containers for your images, letting you shape and style them effortlessly. Choose a frame that fits your design idea, then click or drag it onto your canvas. Now, head over to the Uploads tab if you want to use your own image or explore Canva's photo library to find one that matches your theme. Once you've got your image, simply drag it onto the frame, and boom, it snaps right into place. Want to adjust it? Just double-click the image inside the frame. This lets you reposition, resize, or rotate it until it looks exactly how you want. When you're happy with the placement, click outside the frame to lock it in. Here's a quick tip. You can also layer multiple frames, mix different shapes, or add text and graphics on top for a professional, eye-catching layout. It's a simple trick, but it can instantly elevate your thumbnails, social posts, or presentations. And that's it. You've just mastered Canva Frames. Play around with different shapes and styles, and you'll see how quickly your designs go from basic to beautiful. If this helped you learn something new, keep exploring and keep creating, because the best designs start with a single frame.